guys, this is the recipe of a elegant looking luscious chocolate tart, and I have made it using Parle Platina Hide and Seek chocolate chip cookies. Now Hide and Seek is a classy favorite which laid the foundation of this rich, satiny, gorgeously gooey chocolate tart. So come along, let's make a luscious chocolate tart with Parle Platina Hide and Seek chocolate chip cookies. Take a pack of Hide and Seek and run it in the food processor on a pulse mode until it looks like a fine crumb. Add 70 grams of butter to it and make sure that the butter is kept at room temperature. Run it again in the food processor until the mixture starts to clump together. Take a tart pan with the removable bottom and press Hide and Seek crumb mix into the bottom and up the sides of the tart pan. You can use your hands or the back of a spoon to evenly line and smooth it up. I have taken two 4-inch tart pans. You can make the same in one 8-inch tart pan, or just go ahead with two of them just like me. Keep these prepared tarts in the fridge at least for 3 hours or more until the base is chilled and firm. For the filling, add corn flour to the milk, stir it and keep it aside. And now we work with the rest of the ingredients. Pour the cream into a heavy bottomed saucepan. Add in chopped dark chocolate, sugar, olive oil, salt and cocoa powder. Cocoa powder tends to have so many lumps at times that you need to pass it through a sieve before adding it to the recipe. Remember to keep the flame at low all times when cooking this chocolate sauce. Stir the milk and corn flour mix once and add it to the cooking chocolate. Keep stirring using the spatula so no lumps are formed and the chocolate melts gradually and slowly into a luscious sauce. And just to be double sure, I like to pass my chocolate mix through a sieve so I get super smooth, satiny, rich sauce to fill my tarts. The sauce will thicken as it cools down. Remember to stir it during the cooling time so no surface skin is formed. It is important to let the sauce cool down completely before you add it to the chilled tart shells. Transfer the tarts very carefully to the fridge and let them set overnight. Be creative and decor your Parle Platina Hide and Seek luscious chocolate tart and enjoy.